dear. Congratulations on your successful launch. The website is really great.
Oh, hi there. So this is my last day at home, so I figured after my training I did some rowing in the morning, so I figured now it was time to prepare the Pitbike track, test it and stuff. You've probably been wondering how the Pitbike track was doing, so just now I'm watering it because it's really dry today. So I'm watering it. I will fix the two last rollers and then we will test ride it. So yeah, that's what this video is about today.
Close your eyes. Close.
Hours later and I'm finally done with rollers. I think they turned out pretty good, so now I'm just going to let them rest, let them get a little bit drier, and then I will test them later today. So this is kind of like the braking jump I made before the rollers. It will be a little bit bigger and better dirt when I get like a machine or something to do it. Just did it quickly now with the shovel. Let's test this thing out now. So I cut some grass here to make it look nice. Whoa. Shit. How the hell am I supposed to do this? Second gear. Yeah, cleared it. Whew. I didn't cut this grass yet. Need to ride it down. So this turned out to be a double and then double, double, then double. Not like a wave section, but quite nice anyway. Oh, maybe like there. It's holding up quite well as well. Didn't think it would hold up this good. Okay, now let's try to double in. I hit my engine block on this one. Just. I like this section. It's a little bit too steep, this. But yeah, that's going to be ridden down anyway. There we have a jump. Okay, jumping into the first one is not good at all because the suspension don't work then. Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah. The takeoff is holding up pretty good. These as well. This one is a little bit soft. Hopefully it helps a little bit. Try to triple out here. Okay, this one needs to be moved. One more wave, and this one a lot steeper. Okay, let's try to catch this triple. If I can manage to do it again. Oh. Double. I just put this for safety because I'm mounting it downwards because I'm on the Pitbike bike. On the Pitbike bike. But yeah, so much fun. But now I need to edit the video from yesterday, so I'm heading inside. Then later tonight I'm going to fix everything up. Going to water it, and then I'm going to let it sit for 1 to 2 months because I'm going on traveling for the next month or so, so I'm not going to be home, so I need to make sure it's perfect before I leave. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed today's pit bike video, and until next time, remember to keep full gas. See you soon. Bye.